In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up phone number OTP login for Shopify store. Setting up one-time password login with phone numbers makes signing in faster and more secure for your customers. And it's something you can do in just a few straightforward actions inside your Shopify admin. First, head to the Shopify App Store and search for terms like OTP login or phone login. You'll see several apps. For example, Mini Orange, Lucent, or XTND. And the right choice depends on the features you need and the reviews you trust. Click the app you prefer, choose Add App, then Install App, and accept any charges if the app requires a subscription or usage fees. A quick tip: check for a free trial and read the permissions the app requests so you're comfortable with the access it will have to your store. Once the app is installed, open it from your Shopify admin to configure the settings. Most apps will present options to enable OTP for different flows like login, account registration, or checkout. Enable the flows you want by toggling the appropriate options or checking the boxes provided. You'll also want to customize the SMS text your customers receive. Make sure the message includes the required OTP placeholder exactly as the app specifies. Often a tag such as "chop." Keep the SMS short and clear, include your store name for recognition, and avoid extra characters that could interfere with delivery. It's a good idea to test different message templates and confirm that the OTP tag is correctly replaced with the code on delivery. The final step is to add the OTP widget to your storefront theme so customers actually see the phone login options. In Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes. Find your live theme and click Customize. Inside the theme editor, locate App Embeds or a similar section that manages app components. You should find the OTP app's embed listed. It may be named something like Customer Login with OTP. Enable that embed and then save your theme changes. If your theme has a publish or save workflow, ensure it's complete so the embed is active on the live store. After saving, test the flow thoroughly. Use an incognito window and try login, registration, and checkout as appropriate on both desktop and mobile. Verify SMS delivery, check for formatting issues, and confirm fallback options for customers who can't receive texts. If anything looks off, revisit the app settings or theme embed and adjust. With these steps completed, your store will offer a convenient and secure phone number OTP login option for customers.